Hello! You may have seen in my last post that I'm currently working on a possum proofing solution for my new herb garden behind me. I mentioned I was going to go off to Bunnings and buy some netting to cover my homemade teepees. Well, I went to Bunnings, but I haven't returned with any netting. I think I've found something that's going to be much easier and a much more effective solution. These witches' hats. They're actually called greenhouse grow cones, and I was attracted to them because they have a number of benefits. Apart from protecting new plants from predators like snails, birds, and hopefully possums, as the name indicates, they also act as a greenhouse, giving the plants warmth and protection from wind, hail, and frost. All I have to do is place the cone over the plant, secure it with a tent peg or two, and that is it. I'll remove them during the day unless the weather's bad because they're not particularly attractive. However, if I do want to keep them in place, that is fine because there is a little spot on the top that you can water through and there's plenty of room for good growth. So my little teepees are going to be kept as supports for trailing and climbing plants in future, and I'm going to keep an eye on these grow cones and see how they perform over the next few days and weeks. Fingers crossed, all those nasty little predators will have left town, giving my new herbs a chance to grow and flourish. And when they outgrow the cones, we've got some new solutions for possum proofing around sound and light that I'll discuss in another video. See you next time. Bye.